Hey, DIY enthusiasts and weekend project James. It's James here, and today we are diving into a bedroom transformation that's sure to impress. We are looking at cool action walls that could help you sleep better because they are so awesome. And the best part, we are doing it with our trusty power tools, crew, drills, saws, sanders. They are all here to turn your bedroom from basic to fantastic. First up, we have the power drill. This versatile tool is essential for any DIY project. It helps you make holes in your wall for screws or anchors. Next, we have the circular saw, perfect for cutting straight lines quickly and abstractly. It's great for resizing lumber for your action wall. And who can forget the sander? This tool will give your action board a smooth and professional finish. It helps in removing saw marks from freshly cut wood. Now, the paint sprayer. For a smooth and perfect paint job, you really need this tool. It makes your wall look fresh and lively. The step ladder is another important tool. It helps you reach higher areas of the wall safely. The table saw is a powerful tool for resizing lumber. It's great for making precise cuts and getting your wood pieces to the perfect size. The random orbit sander is a fantastic tool for giving your wood a smooth finish. It's great for removing saw marks from freshly wood cuts. The jointer is a must-have tool for making each edge of the lumber as smooth as possible. It's great for preparing your wood pieces for the wall. The level is an essential tool for ensuring your horizontal pieces are straight. It's must-have for any DIY project. The meter saw is perfect for making precise cuts at a variety of angles. It's great for getting your wood pieces to fit perfectly on your wall. The brad nailer is a powerful tool for attaching the wood to the wall. It's great for securing your external wall pieces in place. The tape measure is a must-have for measuring the size of the wall and the wood. It's essential for any DIY project. The split square is a multi-purpose tool for making square lines, finding roof pitches, and more. It's great for planning your external wall layout. The torpedo level is essential for ensuring your vertical pieces are straight. It's a must-have for any DIY project. And that's all. Using these handy tools, making our bedroom accent wall with a DIY touch will be easy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Drilling Nerd for more DIY tips and tricks. See you in the next video.